telling time 1 o'clock to 12 o'clock. Hey, Binkle Beers, this is a clock. A clock has numbers from 1 to 12. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Great! Clocks also have sticks called hands. The long hand is called the minute hand. The short hand is called the hour hand. You use the numbers and the hands to tell time. Let's look at an example. The long hand is pointing at the 12, and the short hand is pointing at the 3. This means it's 3 o'clock. Now let's learn all the o'clocks. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. Fantastic! Let's review them one more time. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. Super! Now let's try guessing some times. What time is this? It's 4 o'clock. What time is on this clock? It's 10 o'clock. Now what time is it on this clock? It's 12 o'clock. Let's guess one more. What time is it now? It's 7 o'clock. Awesome job, everyone. Keep practicing and see you soon. Goodbye.
See